think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. Before we jump off this video, let me show y'all my meal real quick. Got some sliced potatoes, white potatoes, okay? Sliced them up, spray some avocado oil on them. Put some salt, yeah, you know, I am a chef. Threw it in the air fryer, we got some fries, okay? And this right here is just some chicken, rice, and beans, okay? I'm gonna eat on this while I actually do the voiceover for this video. So fam, I've been reading your DMs on Instagram. I've been reading your comments. You want some more workout footage, so let's get it. Linked up with my homegirl Shawna for a back workout. Shout outs to the ladies out there. Shout outs to the female pump chasers out there. We're out here, baby. Well, anyway, fam, if you like the video, be sure to give it a like. Let me know what you think. And more videos on the way. Alright, homies and homettes. Full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So check it. We're starting off the workout with some wide grip pull downs. Now for back development, all you really need is shoulder width or slightly outside shoulder width. But this angle right here, this super wide angle, is really gonna help open those shoulder blades up. So if you're somebody with stiff shoulder blades, maybe try exercise like that. I actually have a few exercises I recommend, and that's one of them. Super wide grip on the pull downs with good form and technique can really help open those shoulder blades up, okay? So we're doing some close grip pull downs with the mag grip handle with a slight supination on the palms. Really focusing on those lats. The sweep in those lats. Look how the elbows are tilting with the arm. See that? See how the shoulder blades are tilting and the elbows are following? We're really focused on the sweep in those lats. Trying to stay upright, really pausing at the bottom, okay? Can't be giving you all my damn secrets. So here we are on the T-bar row station. Now this T-bar row station has multiple handles. Y'all want to do a video talking about that, talking about them handles, let me know. So we're gripping the handles that allow the elbows to travel 45 degrees from the body, pausing with each rep, really focusing on that upper back. The infraspinatus is popping, the real delts is popping, them traps is popping, right? The rhomboids, all that is popping. Them lats are popping. Really focus on that upper back, okay? And we're doing some seated rows, seated cable rows with an underhanded grip. I like to mix the grips up, okay? Sometimes we'll go close with our hands in, right? Elbows in. We'll go overhanded, underhanded. You know, I like to mix it up. This day, I wanted to go wide, like slightly outside shoulder width, underhanded, and use my mind muscle connection to really feel that teres major. Going underhanded is really gonna help you connect with that teres major that so many people overlook. Doing some dumbbell rows. Now there are a lot of fancy machines out here, fam, but let me tell you, ain't nothing like them old school one-arm dumbbell rows. I can literally just feel the lats just stretching towards the ground. You hear me? Especially when you drop the ego and just take your time, ain't nothing like it. I still love these machines though, but don't get it twisted. A lot of these old school exercises are still great. So here we are doing the row machine, and this row machine is nice. As you see, the back is firing up. You see the lats firing up, right? You see the infraspinatus. You see the traps, right? The rhomboids. You see all that firing up, okay? So, like I said, you gotta know how to take the machines and the free weights, blend them together, and bake your own cake. You know, I don't believe in doing all machines. I don't believe in doing all free weights. I believe in taking all these tools, knowing the kind of physique you want to put together, and creating the best recipe for you, okay? And remember, this is called bodybuilding, not just muscle building. So look at this rack pull I'm doing. I'm really putting a lot of stress on the spine. You can get a great looking back without doing rack pulls, but look how much stress I'm putting on my spine just strapping my hands to that bar with a thoracic extension and standing up. You know, again, this is called bodybuilding, so a lot of the muscles around my spine are getting stressed with these rack pulls. Keep that in mind. Get the perfect balance of all these tools and bake your own cake. Bam! Home mesh workout done. Having a little post-workout meal. Cause shit just got real. Fam, if you enjoyed the workout, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and be sure to show Shawna some love at her new Instagram page. Last one got disabled, but show my sister some love, and we'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to like my shit. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.